Okay, let's do this. A and O questions. Let's start with who are you? What's your name in Spanish? ¿Sabe cómo se llama? Do you know your name? ¿Sabe cómo se llama? Very simple way of asking it. Now, you can also say just ¿cómo se llama? What's your name? ¿Cómo se llama? You also have this option. Dígame su nombre. It's more of a direction for them to tell me your name. Dígame su nombre. And then you can even use this one with a questionable tone. Su nombre? Su nombre? Now, where are you? We can say, ¿en dónde estamos? Which is Spanish for, where are we? ¿En dónde estamos? You can also say, ¿dónde está? Where are you? ¿Dónde está? A bit confusing if you ask me. I don't usually ask it like that. ¿Qué tipo de lugar es este? You can say, what type of place is this? ¿Qué tipo de lugar es este? Hoping for them to tell you that it's a hospital. You can also say, ¿qué tipo de edificio es este? What type of building is this? ¿Qué tipo de edificio es este? Now, you can also ask in a more simple way. ¿Qué lugar es este? ¿Qué lugar es este? What place is this? Now, for the time, the date, you can say, ¿sabe la fecha? Which is Spanish for, do you know the date? ¿Sabe la fecha? If they say yes, you can say, dígala, which is, say it. Or you can say, dígamela, which is, say it to me. Dígala or dígamela. You can also just say, demand in a respectful way, of course. Diga la fecha. That means, say the date. Diga la fecha. If you want to get more specific, you can say sabe el año, which is do you know the year, as well as the hour. You can say sabe la hora, sabe la hora. I made a mistake here, but just pretend it's día. Sabe el día, do you know the day? Or you can also say dígame el día, dígame el año, or dígame el mes. I forgot mes, the month. Sabe el mes. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope this is helpful. Again, if you have any suggestions, just let me know. Thank you very much.